Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the optical drive, base enclosure, and disconnect the battery. Removal: disconnect the fan cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the three 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the fan to the top cover and system board. Lift the fan off of the top cover and remove. Replacement: place the fan into position on the top cover. Replace the three 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the fan to the system board and top cover. Connect the fan cable into its connector on the system board.